Hi everyone. So I'm in the cafeteria, a lot of voices. So if I get interrupted, that's all right. But I'm going to explain the escape room that you guys are going to do. So please pay attention to the details I'm going to show you. All right. So first, let me share my screen. All right. So first, you need to click on the answer sheet because this is where you are going to submit your answers. So click on the answer sheet. And if you have a printer, great, that's awesome. Please print it out and fill it out because this is what you are going to submit. If you don't have a printer, find a scrap piece of paper and write down, kind of like draw an outline of this paper here and just write it yourself. And that is what you can submit a picture of on Canvas because you guys are not able to fill this in and submit it digitally.
With the grant, do you know what we're going to do with that?
No, I don't know. I know that that's supposed to be scheduled by the coach of the team that you're going to be on. Coach Serrato knows who's doing what teams. I do not. I don't have the spreadsheet to it. So I would ask Coach Serrato today. Okay. All right. So anyway, sorry about that. Please, please submit a copy of this by taking a picture or writing it yourself. All right. Let me go ahead and exit out of that. So once you print that out, you need to go to the digital breakout game, which is this first link. Okay, this is where you will find all your clues. This is basically what you're working off of. This first page is where you will submit your answers digitally. Put your name, and with each lock, you will have to, it goes with a tab. Okay, so if you click on characters, this is where you will find your first clue. You kind of have to read through everything on the screen in order to find your clue. So scroll down, read all this, and when you scroll down, you may notice a clue. So, oh, look, there's a link right there. So I'm not going to give you the answer here on the screen, or that wouldn't be as fun, but right here, it's giving you something. You might have to click, you know, these things are linked in order to lead you to the next idea of what the lock could be. So if you find the first clue, it will lead you here, then click, and it will bring you ultimately to a puzzle of some kind that you're going to have to solve. So this first characters tab, it is a 4-digit lock. So the characters clue goes here. You'll have to type in a 4-digit lock. All right, ultimately from finding the clues from the characters tab. All right, once you find the clue to the character tab, you click on events. This events tab goes with the directional lock. All right, so right here it says type in your answer using all uppercase letters and only the first letter of each direction with no spaces. Excuse me, down, up, right, and left. So for your events tab, if you seek direction, you must explore the 6 major turning points in Gatsby's story. You need to arrange these events in chronological order by the way that they happened in the book. So ask yourself, well, what event took place first? And put that as number 1. What came after that event? And put that as number 2. All right, once you put these events in order, then you need to seek out the directional words like what this was telling you here. The direction words, down, up, right, or left, okay? So read all this, and where's the direction word? Oh, look, there's up. So Nick meets Gatsby at a party, and up. I'm recording a video right now. Sorry. So put the direction word with the event, and that's how you type in your clue. Put them in order, then find the direction word, and then type in the first letter in order, all right? Once you find that, will be symbols. Obviously, this one is already sticking out. It has bolded letters, so you need to figure out what that is saying with the bolded letters, and then click on the answer, all right? The answer will be in here, and you gotta click on it. Is it East Egg, West Egg, Valley of Ashes? Yeah, so click on the correct answer that is linked, and it will lead you to a question that, again, you will have to answer. And symbols goes with the word lock. Symbols goes with the word lock, okay? Themes. Again, it's giving you some bolded letters that will ask a question. And with this one, you kind of got to do a little bit of research. You got to figure out what time the story took place, how old a particular character is, and you got to do some math. Without your calculator, figure out what the times and dates are in order to find the correct answer to this question. Okay, and last but not least, oh, and again, the themes, that goes with the 3-digit lock. Themes with the 3-digit lock. Okay, the review goes with the puzzle, okay? And I linked that to the agenda. If you can print it out, great, print it out. But if not, there's a crossword puzzle here. You can write down the answer on a scrap piece of paper, just like I told you before. The questions are here. So you have to answer the questions here answer the questions and then fill in the crossword. And the gray spaces are what you fill in to this key. This key asks you a question that will ultimately be it will ultimately be the answer here. So the key lock goes with the review, which is a crossword puzzle. Once you find all the answers to the crossword, fill in the key here on the gray spaces and answer the question. The answer to this question here will be the final answer to this, and then you press submit. Okay, now if you guys have any problems, please email me. It's gonna be difficult because I know you guys will probably be working on this on your own time. When we did this with a small group in the classroom. So it might be a bit challenging for you. If you're having any trouble whatsoever, please email me, ask me, hey, I have the answer for this, and I can let you know if it is correct or not, or try and help lead you in the right direction. We can also Zoom if necessary. Okay, you'll have plenty of time to complete it. If we need to be on a Zoom, then let me know when is a good time for you. Okay, I hope that this helps a little bit. It's kind of hard since we're not in person, but again, just let me know if you need help. Okay, take care. Goodbye.